Cześć, mam na imię Robert.
Hi, my name is Robert, and today I'll show you how to create a project in Cairo. Click My Projects on the black bar at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Cairo section, where you'll find all your saved projects. If you don't have any projects here yet, I'll guide you through creating your first one. Click Add. Cairo will automatically scroll down slightly to the project data section. Here, provide the name of the project you're creating. You can also add a description, specify the client, and include details about the object for which the project is being created. This will make it easier to locate later. After filling in these fields, click Save. The information you've just entered will help you filter through all your saved projects. When you click the button at the top of the screen, additional filters will appear, which you can use to search for projects already saved in your account. When you click on your project, you can add calculations to it from the panel on the right. Click Add and provide the name for the new calculation. After entering it, press Save. You now have two ways to access this calculation. Either click the product name in the selection row or return to the main page and choose one of the modes in which you'd like to perform the selection. It's also worth mentioning that you can generate the entire project as a single file, rather than exporting each calculation individually. To do this, highlight the project and click Generate PDF. I hope this was helpful.